553 species in genus Aristolochia. September 19th. Aristolochia, the pipevine, defines September 19th. Aristolochia symbolizes transformation and mystery. You embrace change and adapt with grace. Like its intriguing flowers, your allure is undeniable. The enchanting world of Aristolochia, a personal exploration. My name is Ferbu, and I've always been drawn to the unusual and intriguing in the natural world. That's why I find myself captivated by the genus Aristolochia, a group of plants with a fascinating blend of beauty, bizarre forms, and a touch of the macabre. These plants belong to the Aristolochiaceae family, commonly known as pipevines, Dutchman's pipes, or birthworts, are truly unique, and I'm excited to share my fascination with you. A diverse and widespread family. Aristolochia is a large genus, boasting over 500 species. They are found across the globe, thriving in a variety of climates, from tropical rainforests to temperate woodlands. This diversity is reflected in their appearance, with some species being herbaceous while others are vigorous climbing vines. What unites them all, however, is their distinctive flower structure. These flowers are often described as trap flowers. They have evolved intricate mechanisms to lure pollinators, typically flies, into their depths. The flower's shape, often resembling a curved pipe or trumpet, hence the common names, along with its intriguing colors and patterns, attracts the unsuspecting insects. Once inside, downward-pointing hairs prevent the fly from escaping immediately. The fly, trapped within the floral chamber, inadvertently collects pollen while it struggles to find its way out. Eventually, the hairs wither, and the fly, dusted with pollen, escapes, ready to pollinate another flower. A gallery of curious forms. One of the things I find most fascinating about Aristolochia is the sheer variety of flower shapes and sizes. Some, like Aristolochia gigantea, have enormous, flamboyant blooms that can reach over a foot in length. These flowers often emit a foul odor, mimicking the smell of decaying flesh, which further attracts their fly pollinators. Other species, like Aristolochia elegans, have more delicate, intricately patterned flowers. The colors range from deep purples and reds to yellows and greens, often with intricate mottling and veining. It's like exploring a gallery of living sculptures, each with its own unique personality. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A darker side. While I'm captivated by the beauty and ingenuity of Aristolochia, it's important to acknowledge that these plants also have a darker side. Many species contain aristolochic acid, a compound known to be nephrotoxic, damaging to the kidneys, and carcinogenic, cancer-causing. This makes them potentially dangerous if ingested. Historically, some Aristolochia species were used in traditional medicine, particularly for childbirth, hence the name birthwort. However, due to the serious health risks associated with aristolochic acid, such uses are now strongly discouraged. This duality, the combination of beauty and danger, adds another layer of intrigue to these plants. They serve as a reminder that the natural world is complex and multifaceted, and even the most alluring organisms can harbor hidden risks. Conservation concerns. Unfortunately, many Aristolochia species are facing threats due to habitat loss and overcollection. As with so many other plant species, deforestation and human encroachment are destroying their natural habitats. Additionally, some species are collected from the wild for the horticultural trade, which can further deplete their populations. It's crucial that we work to conserve these fascinating plants. This includes protecting their natural habitats, promoting sustainable harvesting practices, and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity. By understanding and appreciating the unique characteristics of Aristolochia, we can help ensure that these botanical wonders continue to thrive for generations to come. This is just the beginning of my exploration into the world of Aristolochia. I'm eager to learn more about their biology, ecology, and evolutionary history. I believe these plants have much to teach us about the intricate workings of nature and the importance of preserving the diversity of life on our planet.